Good, Jason. You doing all right?
22 laps. The air temp is 18 Celsius.
Oh, yeah, man.
Alright, appreciate everybody coming here and racing. Tracks like this, it's all about racing each other clean and with respect. We will have to pit. We'll not turn black flags for speeding on my pit road or unsafe pit exit. Again, hold your line. If you're about to go a lap down, advise you don't block or do anything stupid of that nature. If you do such, you will be removed. You will end up on the blacklist. No 3 wide on pit road. No driving to a bunch of pit stalls blocking somebody from pitting. We do a lot of pit racing in here, pit stop racing in here. And we'll get you removed and get you on that blacklist. No scuffing tires. Admin, this is their warning. Any active members of armed forces veterans in here. We appreciate you racing with us. Sorry for any disrespect about the military time. If someone offended you, I apologize. Again, we got the Crow's Nest Happy Holidays 500 tomorrow, password only. So it's going to be fun. We'll be doing a good old practice 60 rifle sometime tonight. Get some practice, maybe find a couple guys to get the password. Good luck, everybody. Big Rick had something real fast.
Second gear. Good luck, guys. Don't ask for any black flags cleared. You won't get them. Race chatter only.
Good to see you, Big Kevin. Hope to see you on that 500.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Go, go, go.
Thanks for hosting.
Car low. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold that line. He's still there. He's still there. Your inside's clear. Car low. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Clear low.
P8.
Car on the low side. He's still there. He's still there. Still there. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Your inside's clear.
Okay, James. The next car is Cox. P9. The leader has just done.
There's a car inside. Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. Low side's clear. You got a car on the low side. Hold your line. Clear low. Inside. He's still there. Still there. Still there. Hold your line. You're clear on the low side.
That's your quickest lap in this session.
Never feel. You flashing in and out bad, Kevin.
Fastest lap for Rogers, 30.3.
Well, that's unfortunate.
The pit window for fuel will close
Yeah,
on
who's
lap
talking? No
11.
one's answering. No one takes the credit.
I'm not sure if that was on me. I know me and the 9 car, I believe, were battling hard, side drafting each other.
I didn't get a contact. It was me and him, but I didn't get a contact for it. I don't know if we touched or what.
That was at 30.6.
Looks like Corey went into the wall, no contact.
He was wrecking across my nose on my screen. I think it may have been some sort of connection issue. I'm not sure, man.
10-4. Wait for the wreck to get claimed so we don't gotta watch the replay.
You got about 4 laps of fuel left. There's a car exiting the pits, heads up. You've got about 3 laps of fuel left.
You've got a car inside. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. You're clear on the inside.
That was at 30.8.
Car high. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Clear high.
10th position. Only 2 more laps of fuel.
Six cars
That lap
sitting
time
this
was
time.
31.4. B7, we think you'll be out of fuel on the next lap.
9 short pit this time, 9 pit.
7's coming in this time.
In this lap, box this lap.
13 pitting.
There's a car inside. You're clear on the low side.
13
2
pitting.
litres remaining.
56, you were in and out on my screen.
Sorry,
Lead us
Corey,
pitting
I had
now.
some kind of a connection issue there.
What's your speed limit in the pits? Smith is now leading.
Just letting you know, I saw you went into the wall. Just letting you know I wasn't trying to wreck you or anything.
The car behind is pitting.
Oh no, you were good, thank you.
Okay, James, we're halfway through. We estimate
16 pitting
1
this
laps
time.
of fuel remaining.
Pitting in, pitting in.
31 this time.
6 truck pitting out.
There's traffic behind, take care. There's a car leaving the pits. B9.
Sorry, 9, sorry. No one out, sorry, 9.
P6. That lap was at 30.6.
Control it, I'm sorry.
The gap in front is now 1.1
Oh,
seconds.
look at those just wasted. Look like you got a little loose on the bottom. And it just spun me around. I might have squeezed a little bit there. I was just trying to hold on to that draft on the truck ahead of me. I think I got the 56 on before we hit it
Good
as
lap.
well.
That's your quickest so far.
for your leader.
Your lap times are improving. This is exactly what we need.
Car outside. Clear outside. Car inside. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Hold that line. Hold your line.
That would be cool if the lights come on.
Hold your line. Hold your line.
61 pitting this time by.
Hold your line. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Hold your line. You're clear inside.
P7.
44 City. Two Central Time in to be up. Yes sir.
Push. We can get this guy. Okay, James. There's a car exiting the pits. Heads up. The gap behind has now decreased to 0.7, 2 laps left. That was at 31.0. 7th position. One more lap to go. You've just done at 31.2. The gap in front has increased. It's now about
Need to thank Phil
1.5.
for that win, Jack. Good win, bud.
Good win, Jack. See y'all at Daytona.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
P7.
That's a
Okay,
good race,
we're done.
Daniel.
You too, Phil. That was fun, bud.
Thanks for the hose, Jimmy. You take 2 tires of 4 on that pit stop, David.
I got right sides only, bud.
How you doing, James?
Simple, I think I